Pre, may text si Grab ha? Tinext ka ba?
Oo pre, nag-text na sa akin si Grab.
May bakuna daw si Grab ngayon
Punta raw tayo sa ITM office para magpabakuna.
Tinext ka ba? Tara na, magpabakuna na tayo.
Tara na, sabay na tayo.
Kaya protektahan ang iyong sarili. Huwag maniwala sa maling balita. Kalusugan
sa ating pagkikipagtulungan po sa lungsod ng Makati, kami po ay nakapagpatayo ng Grab Makati Vaccination Center.
Pabakuna, Grab, it's back, 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 back to normal. Halika na't magpalista.
Face shield is only a temporary solution. Ginagamit po natin to arrest the spread of the virus. Pero ang permanent solution po dito, no, para bumalik na po tayo sa new normal or pumunta tayo sa new normal na kung saan makasalamuha ang ating mga kababayan ay ang pagpapaturok po ng vaccine.
Magpabakuna, tayo na't magpabakuna. Grab, it's back, 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 back to normal. Halika na't magpalista.
Magpabakuna na po tayo. Mag-register na po tayo dito. Open po siya sa lahat po ng 4-wheel and 2-wheel ka-Grab partners po natin.
I would like to extend my congratulations to Grab Philippines for opening this vaccination site and for partnering with the city government in advancing our shared objective of keeping our workers and our Makatizens safe and protected during this pandemic. Together, we can lift not only our economy but the spirits of our people. Together, we can overcome. Again, congratulations to Grab Philippines and thank you for partnering with us.
Hindi po kakayanin ng gobyerno, notwithstanding the focus and strong effort as well as putting in so much resources to bring about inoculating millions of Filipinos all across the country. Kailangan lang po natin ng tulong ng private sector. In the city of Makati, together with Grab Philippines, this is what's happening. Inoculating thousands of economic frontliners.
We want to make sure that everyone, particularly our drivers and delivery partners, they get to support each other and convince and motivate each other to get vaccinated.
Pag-asa, magtiwala at manalig lang. Tayo na't mag-back, back, back, magpabakuna. Tayo na't magpabakuna. Grab, it's back.
Talagang tinitake to heart ng ating mga drivers at delivery partners yung serbisyo para sa mamamayan.
Back, 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 magpabakuna.
Salamat, LGU, Makati, at Grab Philippines.
Protektado na kami, babiyahe na kami ng kumpare ko.
Grab, let's back to